Hey everyone! One thing that sets Corjl apart from other templating platforms is its ability to protect your designs. Corjl offers both overall design protections and specific layer protections. This video focuses on the layer protection section and will show you how to lock down assets, either to protect them or making editing easier for your users. To access the layer protections, go to the Design Protections view in the editor, then click on Layer Protections. To enable protections for your images, click on that specific image you would like, and then the image controls will appear on the left-hand side. The options are here. You can allow your customer to either replace that selected image with an image you have added to the design assets, or allow them to replace the image with an image they've uploaded. You can choose one or the other, or none, or even both. You can also lock the image size to prevent the image from being scaled up or down. The last image control is the ability to lock down the styles. This locks down the outer glow, stroke, or whatever styles you have set on the image that you have selected. Next, you can set the layer protections for the fonts that you've selected. Here we have the text controls. These options allow you to prevent customers from leaving the text box blank and prevent customers from changing the following options, like the text box font size, color, wording, style, and change it to multicolor. Text formatting allows customers to see and use bold, italic, and underline formatting options for the text in the text box. Paragraph limit. This allows designers to set a specific max or minimum number of characters allowed for a text box. You may have noticed a few of these protections have a dotted checkbox. This means these are linked to the global settings and may already be enabled if you have those set up. For more information on your global and default settings, be sure to check out our video on that. Until next time, thanks for tuning in to another Corjl tutorial.